The Yokekon store Cool Mist Large Humidifier review. First, I'll go through the unpackaging of this product. At any point during this video, if you'd like to get this exact same humidifier for yourself, there's Amazon links below this video to get it at a great price. The packaging itself is very nice. It comes with a controller and everything is in styrofoam here and perfectly packaged so nothing is damaged. So far I'm quite impressed with the packaging and delivery from Amazon within a day or so. It comes with the remote here and the warranty guide and the manual for instructions. It also comes with some cleaning tools here like the sponge for cleaning the product for inside and out. You should do that every once in a while when using humidifier. It comes in this nice packaging here, plastic wrapped, so there's no scratches and everything is in perfect condition. And it has a very large container. As you can see, it's for 8 liters of water, so you can have tons of water and you don't need to refill it constantly. And that's what the inside looks like. You need to clean it once in a while for sure. It comes with the pump here that you go put it inside of the humidifier itself. And then this is the unit itself and the control functions here for controlling this humidifier. So this is what the inside looks like. You pour the water in there, and here is the outlet for plugging it in to your outlet. And this is the remote here. It has a power, constant humidify, sleep, timer modes. Great little controller, very easy to use. The warranty card here and an instruction manual, so you can simply follow along with how to set up this humidifier for yourself, how to put the water into it, how to take care of it, and everything you need. You can actually put essential oils into this humidifier as well, which is an awesome feature of this humidifier. While we look over this humidifier, I wanted to go through a couple of key points and features of this humidifier which I like. One, as I mentioned, is the 8-liter capacity for large rooms of up to 500 feet and 24 hours of humidification in one refill, which is great. 8 liters turns into 2.11 gallons. It's a perfect humidifier for bedrooms, large rooms, plants, baby rooms, yoga rooms, greenhouses, and more. It has 3 mist setting levels with constant 300 milliliter per hour fine and even a mist output. I'm really impressed with the quality of the mist levels. It is very quiet. The water storage protection on it, so if it runs out of water, it will automatically turn off. And it has a 30-day free replacement and a 1-year warranty included with this humidifier. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality of this humidifier. The amount of water it stores, the quiet, whisper quiet sound of it, the touch and remote controls on it, and the 3 different mist level settings. It has auto shut off protection for if it runs out of water. It has a 1 to 1.5 hour timer feature as well. It's easy to clean and it can last up to 24 hours. It's great for offices, schools, nurseries, sleeping, skincare, yoga, hotels, green rooms, and more. I highly recommend that you check out the Yokekon store large humidifier for yourself. And if you want to get it for a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video to get this humidifier for yourself. It is great. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best